There's nothing quite like a fun family fall festival with friends. Since we've spent most of our falls on the East Coast, getting to check out a fall festival in Idaho is a special treat. And this family farm in Kuna, Idaho is full of fun. I don't know what else we're doing here, but we're doing a corn maze. Doing something besides a corn maze?
Oh, they've got a lot of stuff, so yeah, I'm sure we'll do something else. Tractor ride.
A bridge.
Bridge!
Wait, is it actually?
First up, a train ride through fields of flowers to get us into the farm spirit.
Yeah, have fun.
That's like a good fall festival. We used to do this kind of stuff in Pennsylvania before we started traveling. It is nothing if not bumpy. After our train ride, we made our way around the farm, trying out all the games and visiting with the animals. Most fun, the apple blaster, because nothing says fall fun like blasting apples at targets.
Ready, set, go!
It's Connect 4 Idaho style.
Potato discs.
We got the red and the white potatoes. Okay, you're red potatoes.
Yeah, I'm red potato.
I am white potatoes. Here we go. You're the winner in the potato wars. We lost them all. What's this thing? What are we supposed to do with this?
Roll it so it stays in the second hump
Oh.
without rolling back.
Very close. One more time. This is it. This is it. Whoa! Don't mess it up, Alex. Oh, Alex is gonna get it.
When you pull that trigger, it's gonna shoot. All right. Fire.
Ooh. Curve. All right, ready?
No, not ready. Oh, that's as far as it goes.
All right, ready, Alex?
Yeah.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
It's not intended to be scary or anything like that. Just stay on the path and look for the green exit sign so you can get out.
You're in the belly of the dragon, honey. Alex the whole time is like, let's get out, let's get out. I don't like it, I don't like it.
Why?
Because it's dark. I'm like, don't ever go in a haunted
A
house.
haunted house. Love it.
What's the difference between phase 1 and phase 2? Is one harder?
They connect. They connect to each other at the end.
Oh,
Like, you're on your own, just call the number.
We got this. Dads don't need math.
Oh, I guess I'm going this way. I think they're cheating over there with the map. Wait for Daddy. You're losing Daddy. Why didn't we make a right there, guys? Oh, it's a loop. Where are we in the maze now?
Come up here and I can't believe we've gone this far. Literally walked like a quarter of a mile.
What?
Yeah, look at this. We've gone like a quarter of a mile.
You're getting tired. It's a long corn maze. We are looking at the map and trying to figure this out, but we could be out here a while longer. We're trying to find our way to the letters, and then we can kind of go across and down, I think. Oh, that has to be a letter, right?
Yeah.
How do we get to it? We are getting closer to music and voices, so. Oh, I see the tower. Which way do you want to go now?
So if we continue going,
I can go to the right.
Straight to the right.
Do I make a right here? I can go left, I can go straight with an immediate left, or I can go right.
You want to go straight and then a little bit of a turn and then right. That way.
I can see the entry. And I hear them. I heard you guys.
We've been out forever. Dad, you literally cut through an illegal part of the corn. Phase 1 and 2 are separate.
Yeah. Here we go. It's like getting in the kayak. Here, you can do it, honey. Woo!
Hi.
Wow. Show off.
Yeah.
Taking the easy way.
Oh boy. I'm not scared.
Alright.
Why?
In the front.
Because I need my space. Bye, McKenna. This is the cool side.
No, it's not focused, I
So there's no hay on the hayride, but we are going through a pumpkin patch, and we went buy some bales of hay. So I guess that counts. McKenna's trying to drink her cider slushy while bouncing. Okay.
No, guys.
Hi.
Go.